All right, boys and girls, we are going to talk more about root words. Now, root words is the word that can be manipulated to mean something else. So when it is manipulated or changed, we add a prefix, something that comes before the root word, or a suffix, something that comes at the end. So our prefixes, it comes before the root word, are re, so that means to do again, pre, which means before, like a prefix. It fixes the root word and adds something before. Dis, which means not, like I disagree. I do not agree. Miss, which means wrong. Like I accidentally misspelled something. That means I spelled it wrong and I should redo it. Un means not. I am unhappy. I am not happy. Another prefix is n. All right. So, the next thing is a suffix. A suffix comes after the root word. Okay, so some of our suffixes are able, which means that we are able to do something. So if I say, like, my dog is trainable, that means that he or she is very easy to train. I can train them. Another suffix is That means more. Like, oh, I'm fuller after eating that pizza. I am more full. Or, oh, I'm higher than you because I'm on a seesaw. Another suffix is full. So maybe like, oh, that rainbow is colorful. It means that it's very full of color. Or, you guys are wonderful, which means you are full of wonder. Another suffix is less, which means without. Like a superhero, is fearless. He or she does not have any fear, without fear. Another suffix is ed, like it already happened. I played yesterday. It already happened. It's in the past. Another suffix is est, which means the most. Like I saw an elephant and he was the biggest. Biggest. It means it's the most. Another suffix is ing, which means it's happening right now in the present. So if I was reading a book, I could say, I'm reading. I'm reading. That means it's happening right now. And another suffix is ly, like slowly. Oh, I got out of bed slowly because I was tired. It means that it is done a certain way. Like, she put on her shoes quickly. It was done really quick. It was done really fast. So those are prefixes before a root word and suffixes at the end of a root word. So I have this pencil that I drew here, and we're going to write some words together. So I need you to get out a piece of paper or your journal and a pencil. All right. I'm going to write the word joy. Okay, my root word is joy. Now this is how I want you to write it on your paper. Come over here, and I want you to write it like a math problem. Okay, we're going to make the word joyful. So we have our root word, which is joy, and we are going to add a suffix, which is full. And what does that equal? That equals the word joyful. Now we already know how to spell it. Joyful. All right. Oh, let's erase that. That makes it easier for us to understand. So we have our root word joy. We have our suffix, which is full, and it gives us the word joyful. Now you can pause and play this video anytime you need to, okay? I'm going to continue on, but if you need to pause it, just pick right up after you're done writing. So now we are going to write the word preview, which means we are going to view something before. Now I hear the word pre, so that is a prefix. Our root word is view. We do not have a suffix in this word. So now our word is going to look like this. Pre plus view equals the new word preview. I'm going to view it or look at it before. You see how there's no space in this new word. There are no spaces. It's one new word, preview. Now, let's write another suffix word, another root word with a suffix at the end to make a new word. All right, let's make the word, acting. Now, I know my root word is act, and my suffix at the end is ing. It means we are doing something now. We are acting now. So let's write our equation. Act plus ing equals the new word, no spaces, acting. Acting. Let's write two more. All right, let's erase our root word and our suffix. Okay, let's make the word, tied. I tied my shoes. Remember, the ED means that it already happened. I tied my shoes yesterday. I hear the ED at the end of the root word tie. So our root word is tie, and our suffix is ed, id, or d. Now this one is pretty tricky. Do you see how there is an E and an E? Let's make our equation. Tie plus ED. We don't want to put the two E's together because then that makes the E long. All right? We are just going to use one E. So tie and D equals tied. There's a lot of these silly little rules in English, but we have to always practice doing them so we get better at it, okay? It makes the new word tied. We will do one more prefix, okay? Let's do the word reread. Reread. Remember the prefix re means to do it again. It means to do it again. So our root word is read. And our prefix is re. Reread. I know it's a prefix because I hear re at the beginning of our root word, which is read. Reread. That means to read again. So let's do our equation. Re plus read equals reread. Very good job, boys and girls. Make sure that I get a picture of your equations to make the new words, okay? All right. Thanks for learning with me.